Hello, my name's Kerry Lewis and I'm a member of the MrBruff.com writing team. Today I'm going to talk about round brackets. All of the examples from today's video are from or adapted from North and South by Elizabeth Gaskell. We use round brackets when we're inserting extra information. For example, Margaret entered the room where her father and mother still sat holding low conversation together, looking very pale and white. The main idea of this sentence is Margaret entered the room looking very pale and white. The information in brackets provides extra detail, but we could cut it and it would make no difference to the main idea of the sentence. If you'd like to stretch and challenge yourself, parentheses is another word for round brackets, whilst parenthesis is the information that's inside. The type of punctuation that you use with brackets will depend upon what you're writing. Before we read the first example, a draper's shop is a shop that sells cloth. We went into a small country town where it was cheaper to live than in Milton, and where I got a job in a draper's shop. An excellent place, by the way, for learning about goods. The information in brackets is an afterthought. Because it's part of the same sentence, the full stop goes at the end of the sentence, outside the second bracket. The second example is different. Here, Margaret is thinking about Mr. Thornton, who saw her with her brother Frederick late at night. He too must think that poor Frederick is a lover. She blushed as the word passed through her mind. Here we have a complete sentence inside the brackets. Because it's a complete sentence, the full stop is inside the brackets. Finally, brackets might be used when a word is singular or plural. For example, you might be filling in a form and it asks you for your middle name or middle names. The people who design the form don't know how many middle names you have, that's if you have any at all, and that's why the S is in brackets. And here's another example. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to buy a copy of Mr. Bruff's Guide to Grammar, I've put the link in the description below. In the meantime, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.